This is how I'm making the slider for the latch. I haven't got a milling machine, so I'm making best of what I've got. Yes, you can see it's making the slide there. Okay, right, time for another update. I'm bench testing the pull close, or more easier said, soft close for the Decklid. That's the latch all finished, and this is the drive operator, which is more or less finished. Will be trimmed up and painted. All this is going to go. So there's a torque motor underneath there, a couple of relays which control the circuitry, and this controls final stage. The easiest way is to show you. So it just takes a pulse signal. That's my switch. And that enables me to do the Decklid release. So I'll show it again. Quite simple, really. I've already built the other one. It's pretty much all there. So the next thing will be doing the door popper. Cheers. Okay, time for another update. I've now completed the boot lid latch release mechanism, including the manual release as well, just in case you lose power. So both are now completed. This one is being bench tested just to make sure it all works properly. So that's why it's all cabled up onto the latch. So these are the 50-pound rated, is it 50? I think it's 50. Pull-in force. Comes in the kit, all the way from China, and you've got absolutely everything in there. It's a proper kit. I'm really pleased with it. It comes with all waterproof outside manual releases, sorry, popper releases, relays, cable, even a remote system, so I'll be wiring that in as well. Everything you see here had to be fabricated. The actual design of it was a bit of a nightmare, just to try and make sure I incorporated the manual release. This is the cable from DNA. It's just the basic tie of manual release, and I'll show how that works. So it's just primarily bench testing, wired in the relay, the latch, and I'll just show it working. I'll put the camera down first. Right, so first of all, manual release, which is part of the DNA kit, and so that's now released. And then automatically, and that works just like that. I'll just do it again. Very, very simple. Just took a long time to actually figure it out to do it, but now this is all finished. I do like this. Right, thank you very much. That's it. So the reason that this has been designed in this way with the contained unit is because once I decided where I was going to put it, that's what I actually needed to do. It's going inside there. The foot plate will be glued to the inside face of this arch, part of the arch. There is stacked loads of room in there, and my cables will effectively go inside or around and through there. That's my height gauge for how far this comes down, to make sure that I didn't catch any cables. And that's it. I'm now going to be on the rear buttresses. It's going to be a while before you get a video from that, because there's a lot of work. I've got an idea how I'm going to do it, but obviously I've got to fabricate it all up. Okay, cheers. Speak to you soon. As an added note, the soft close, which is for the Decklid, these things, they're going to be mounted One's going to be there. One's going to be here. I've got to make the fabricate up the brackets, but this area here has got nothing happening, so that's where the mechanism's going to go. So that's all sorted. Cheers.